So this is a video about how to do special lessons in Acellus. Here we go. So you log on to Acellus. And you go to your special lessons right here. Click on special lessons. And then over here on the left side, there's a little black and white arrow. You click on that, and you can see all the classes that you have special lessons in. You choose the class that you want to look at. We're going to do Junior English. And there are two special lessons that I need to work on. I'm going to look at the first one. You read all the information and what the application is for the special lesson. In this case, there are creation stories, and we are going to write an essay comparing the common themes present in the three stories. Okay, so I have read this, and I can start writing it on a piece of paper, or I can do another option. If I write on a piece of paper, I'm going to hit Add Work, the blue button, and I have two options. I can upload a picture, so I can take a picture of my written work, or I can create a text file. We're going to go to Upload Picture. Okay, and whatever the work is, I want to make sure that I make it as big as possible when I take the picture, so I can add the whole picture. Okay, so I would take a picture, and it says use photo in the bottom right corner, or it says retake in the bottom left corner. We are going to retake because I don't want to add that. And I can take a picture like so. I can also cancel that in the bottom right corner, and I can create a text file. I like this option to create a text file because I can type up my paper and I can save it at any time. I can also view the resource. So I have here, I am typing on the paper. I'm going to delete this. I can hit the blue Save button, middle top, at any time. This is a sample special lesson. Okay, I can hit that Save button at any time, and I can save it. I can hit the green Turn In button at the top right corner. And if I forget what I'm working on, I can view the resource. So I'm going to hit the orange View Resource button in the upper right-hand corner. Okay, this is what I'm supposed to be writing on. I'm supposed to write an essay comparing the common themes present in the three stories. If I'm using my iPad, I can click outside of the resource and I can keep typing. I am typing about three creation stories, ... I can't remember what I'm typing about. I'm going to look at the resource again. The orange button in the upper right hand corner, View Resource. I am supposed to compare the common themes present in the three stories. I'm going to click outside and I'm going to continue typing. The three stories were, and so on and so forth. Okay. When it's the way I want it, I'm going to hit the green Turn In button. If it's not the way I want it, I'm going to remove it from the upper left corner. Or if it's almost the way I want it, I'm going to hit Save and I'm going to work on it later. I'm going to hit remove right now. And it takes me back to my junior English special lessons in the left side. Okay, so once again, I click on special lessons. I see the little arrow on the left side towards the top, the black and gray arrow. I can click on that and I can see all the classes that I have special lessons in, and I can choose which class I want to. I'm going to choose biology now. Okay, and there are 4 special lessons for biology, and I'm looking at the first one. For me to add work, I can write something out or draw pictures, and I can take a picture of it, upload picture. Okay, I can cancel that. I can create a text file. I can remove that. So that is how you do special lessons. If you have any questions, please come talk to the teacher for the class that you are working on the special lesson in. Thank you.